Shri Sai Ram. Let us start the session with 3 Omkars. On behalf of Sri Satya Sai Bal Vikas, we would like to welcome all the parents and Bal Vikas students to an hour of fun, games and entertainment. A warm Sairam to one and all. This day is dedicated to parents, so therefore we would like to start the session with a bhajan dedicated to Sri Satya Sai Baba, our Guru and mentor. The bhajan Sai Mata Pita will be rendered by Brother Rishikesh.
Sairam. Sai Mata Pita Dina Bandhu Sakha. 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 तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. 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 साई माता पिता देना माता पिता दीन पिता माता पिता दीनों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. 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 मुझे भक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा. कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा. Sai Ram.
Wow, what a wonderful start to the program by Rishikesh and Mother. For us children, parents are the center of our life. And so, I would like to invite Tanya Lakhani to say a few words on love and respect to parents.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Sai Ram. Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tanya Lakhani, and I am going to speak on the topic love and respect to our parents. Parents play an important role in our mental, physical, social, financial, and most importantly, our career development. Because the Lord Himself does not live on earth, He created parents. Parents are the form of God on this planet. They are the most precious gifts for us. To respect our parents is our duty. From the time of our birth to this day, our parents have provided us with most of our demands. We should always be grateful to them. We must not be rude to them but behave with kindness. We should always listen to our parents as they always think that what is best for us. They teach us what is right or wrong. And don't ever forget that we are here because of our parents. They brought us into this world. Our very existence is a favor done by our parents. This favor is something we will never be able to pay back. So the least we can do is love and show respect as they truly deserve it. Thank you, Sairam.
Sairam to one and all. I welcome you all to the fun sessions. Are you all ready? Can I see the thumbs up? Okay, good. So, we will start with the first game called Icebreaker. Over to you, Arya.
Sairam to one and all. So let us start our session with the first game, which is Icebreaker. So this is a really tricky game. So please listen to the instructions carefully and try and do it with me. Take your right hand and hold your nose. Take your left hand and hold your right ear. I repeat, take your right hand and hold your nose and take your left hand and hold your right ear. When I say change, you must clap and change. That is, do the opposite. So hold your nose with your left hand and hold your left ear with your right hand. Did you all understand? So we can have a trial session. Please show me some thumbs ups. Okay, so let's start. Hold your nose with your right hand and hold your right ear with your left hand. Change. Do the opposite. Yes. Again the same. Change. Yeah, it's a little tricky, but it is very interesting. Again, change. 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 Okay, so did you all get the hold of the game? So we'll add some speed to it now. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Change. 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 Yeah, everybody's enjoying. I can see that. Change. 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 Yes, very good. So did you all enjoy this first game? If yes, please show some thumbs up. Yes, thank you. So now let's go on.
So now we will begin with the second game. So the instructions are, when I say hug, you have to hug. And when I say handshake, you have to handshake each other. So let's begin. Hug. Handshake. Hug. Handshake. Handshake. Hug. Handshake. Handshake. Hug. Hug. Now, let's have some twist in the game. When I say hug, you have to handshake. But when I say handshake, you have to hug. So we will begin. Hug. Handshake. Handshake. Hug. Hug. Handshake. Hug. Handshake. Handshake. Hug. Handshake. Handshake. Hug. Okay, good. I hope you all have enjoyed the game. Now sit back and relax to have a light and entertaining show.
A huge round of applause for everyone who participated in the game. Hope you all enjoyed and had a lot of fun. When a child is born, every parent has a dream for the child. Every parent aspires that her child lives in a world full of love, happiness, and contentment. Here's a song by Manasa, Soumya, and their mother on this theme.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले लंबी सी डगर न खले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए जहाँ रंग नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए सपनों में पली हंसती हो कली जहाँ शाम सुहाने ढले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले सपनों के ऐसे जहाँ में जहाँ प्यार ही प्यार खिला हो सपनों के ऐसे जहाँ में जहाँ प्यार ही प्यार खिला हो हाँ जाके वहाँ खो जाए शिकवा न कोई गिरा हो हम जाके वहाँ खो जाए शिकवा न कोई गिरा हो कहीं बैर न हो कोई गैर न हो सब मिलके यूं चलते चले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
Wow, what a melodious song it was by Soumya, Manasa, and their mother. Shall we give them a big round of applause again? Yes, so now let's move on to our next game, which is called the memory game.
Sairam everyone. Today we'll be playing a memory game. You will be seeing a couple of objects on the screen. Observe it carefully. You'll be given a time of only 1 minute. I repeat, observe it very, very carefully. Can we have the screen share, please?
Okay, time's up.
Okay, so here's a twist. Now that the things are gone off the screen, I will be asking you a couple of questions and you will have to answer it in the chat box. Do not unmute yourself, just answer it in the chat box, and the first person to answer it will get a point. So let's get started with the questions. Are you all ready? Can you give me thumbs up? Okay, so let's go to our first question. Which were the Indian symbols of India? I repeat, which were the Indian symbols of India? Write them all together. Write them all together. Write them all together. Come on, we are getting answers. Good. Write them all together. Okay. We're getting answers. Okay. The answers are hockey, peacock, tiger, and lotus. So it was answered by Avni. So a huge round of applause to Avni. High five, give me a high five, Avni. Good job. Let's move on to our next question. What was the time in the clock? I repeat, what was the time in the clock? Okay, we're getting answers. You're way too fast. Nice. Okay, the answer is 3, and the first person to answer it was Avni again. So congratulations, Avni, you're doing a very great job over there. You type really fast. Now let's go on to our next question. Name the amphibian that was there on the screen. I repeat, name the amphibian that was mentioned in the screen. Okay, we are getting answers. Okay, we are getting answers. Good, your guys are very fast. Okay, the answer is frog, and the first one to answer which it was Sanchi. So congratulations, Sanchi, you did a very great job. High five, Sanchi. Yeah. Now let's move on to our next question. How many sunflowers were there in the picture? I repeat, how many sunflowers were there in the picture? Okay, my God, you guys are really fast. Good. Very nice. Oh my God. Okay, the answer is 3, and Tanya answered it correctly, and she was the first person to answer. So good job, Tanya. You did a wonderful job by answering the question. You typed really fast. Moving on to our next question. What were the 4 sports depicted in the picture? I repeat, what were the 4 sports depicted in the picture? Write them all together, like them all together. We're getting answers. Good. Oh my God, you guys are really, really fast. Okay, the answer is hockey, tennis, cricket, and kabaddi. And it is again answered by Sanchi. So good job, Sanchi. You did a really wonderful job there. Moving on to our next question. Which animal displayed in the picture stays in the cold region? I repeat, which animal displayed in the picture stays in the cold region? Okay, we are getting answers. We are getting answers. Okay. Oh my God, you guys are really, really fast. Good job. Okay, the answer is panda, and Neeraj answered it correctly. Very good job, Neeraj. You are amazing out there. Give me a high five. Yes, good job, Neeraj. Now moving on to our next question. Name the flowers kept in the vase. I repeat, name the flowers kept in the vase. Oh my God. Good. You guys are really fast. Okay. The answer is roses. And Neeti answered it correctly. Neeti, give me a high five. Come on, you did a wonderful job. Congratulations, Neeti. Now, moving on to our last question. Who was the celebrity sportsperson in the picture? I repeat, who was the celebrity sportsperson in the picture? Okay. We're getting answers. We're getting a lot of answers. Okay, the answer is Sania Mirza, and Divya answered it correctly. Very good job, Divya. You were amazing out there. Awesome job. So give me a high five, Divya. Good job. Hope you all like the game. Did you like the game?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, moving on to our next item.
Thank you, Anaga. We really enjoyed the game. So now we will witness some comedy scenes put up by our Balvika's children and their parents. So please sit back and enjoy.
मम्मी एक सवाल पूछूं?
हाँ पूछो चिंटू।
आपके फुटबॉल व्हाइट क्यों है?
चिंटू तुम जब जब मुझे परेशान करते हो या कोई गलत काम करते हो तो मेरा एक बाल व्हाइट हो जाता है।
अच्छा, अब पता चला रानी के सारे बाल व्हाइट क्यों है? आंसर शीट लीजिए। दीक्षा 30 मार्क्स, वैभव 15 मार्क्स, ध्रुव 91 मार्क्स। क्या खा के आए?
देखो बच्चों,
हाँ सर।
एक दिन ऐसा आएगा
हाँ।
जब धरती का पानी खत्म हो जाएगा, सारे जीव जंतु मर जाएंगे और धरती नष्ट हो जाएगी।
तो उस दिन फ्यूचर आने का है क्या सर?
रिमी, आज ना मम्मा आपको टेंसेस सिखाए। हाँ ओके, आपको पता है प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस?
अरे मेरे को सब पता है, बोलो।
ओके, तो मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस बोलती हूँ, आप मुझे बताना कौन सा टेंस है। ओके?
हाँ।
आई एम वेरी यंग।
पास्ट टेंस।
Children look up to their parents for inspiration and motivation in their lives. Here's Archana and her brother Neeraj expressing their feelings for their parents through a song and a poem.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा,
पापा, तेरे पापा। तू कितनी अच्छी है,
तू कितनी भोली है,
प्यारी प्यारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ। कि ये जो दुनिया है, ये मन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, प्यारी माँ। Mummy and Daddy, we love you. Mummy and Daddy, we love you. You always taught us many values through. You always taught us many values through. You are the greatest gift of God. Thank you so much, oh my Lord. Mummy and Daddy, we live for you. Mummy and Daddy, we live for you. You all make us very happy through. You all make us very happy through. You are the key of our success. We both are so very blessed. Please don't be sad with us. Please don't be sad with us. Love for parents will be a plus to surely secure heaven thus. We love you, Mom and Dad.
Wow, that was a beautiful poem by Archana and her brother Neeraj. We indeed think they are indeedly our God's gift. So let's move on to our next game, Scavenger Hunt. Over to Sankhya.
This is a game where you have to move around your house and collect objects mentioned by us. For example, if we say letter R, then you have to collect objects starting with R, like ring, rubber, etc. At the end of 2 minutes, you have to count the objects collected by you and message us in the chat box. So, the objects to be collected is with letter B. B for Bombay. Your time starts now. Come on, go around your house and collect the objects. You have to collect the objects with B. Come on, fast. Let's see who is the first one. You have to collect the objects and count the objects and then message in the chat box. Come on, fast. Please message the number of objects you have collected within 2 minutes. Come on, come on. Please message the number of objects you have collected. Come on, let's see who is the first one and who will be the highest to collect the objects. We have 2 minutes to collect the objects. Come on. Come on, everybody. Please collect the objects, count it, and message us in the chat box. Oh,
30 seconds left.
yeah. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Oh God, so many messages. Please message the number of objects you have collected. Oh, I see.
Time's up, time's up.
Oh, time is up. I see here Trishika has collected 50 objects. Oh my God. May I have a look at it? Sahana has collected 10. Oh God. Tanya has collected 60. Great. I hope you all have enjoyed the game. Moving to the next part. Love between a mother and a child is an eternal one. The best example of this was demonstrated by Mother Yashoda for child Krishna. Now we have Kiara and Abira expressing Yashoda's love for Krishna through a performance.
भाका कन्हैया न्यारा कन्हैया गोकुल में सबका प्यारा कन्हैया ठुमक 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 नाच कन्हैया पैजनिया छम छम बाजे रे छम 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 कान्हा के संग सारी दुनिया नाचे रे सारी दुनिया नाचे
This was a beautiful dance by Kiara and Abhira. We really thought that Ma Yashoda and Lord Krishna running behind each other. Now, let's move on to our next game. Now, we had asked you to keep a ball of clay. We would like you to keep the clay with you. If you haven't brought the clay, so we would like to request you all to bring the clay. Those who have bought the clay, can you please show it on the camera? Very good. Very nice. Over to Sankhya.
I hope you all have kept the clay ready with you. Can I see thumbs up? Okay, good. Now the instructions of this
Clay
game
means
are...
a clay, no?
Yeah. So the child and the parent have to put their hand over each other's shoulder like this. Now you all have one hand free with each. Now together you have to perform 3 objects mentioned by us within a given time limit, that is 2 minutes. After completing the 3 objects, the parent has to put a message in the chat box that they have completed all the 3 objects. So, the objects to be prepared are turtle, star and a flower. Wait. Your time starts now. The objects to be prepared are turtle, star and a flower. Please use only 2 hands to prepare these objects. Come on, within 2 minutes, you have to prepare these objects. Come on, let's see who is the first one to complete. Come on, fast. We have 2 minutes. Oh, I see. Many of them are eager to prepare it and come first. Fast. Okay, Arush is saying he has done with the 3 objects. Arush, can I have a look at your objects? Come on, fast, everyone.
1 minute left.
1 minute left. Fast. Oh, I see. Sanchi has also completed all the 3 objects.
This is a turtle. This is a star.
Yeah.
And this one is flower.
Okay, good. Oh, I see many of them who you have completed. Sanchi, can I have a look at your objects?
The star.
Okay.
And this is the turtle.
Okay.
And this is the flower.
Oh, good. Amazing. Oh, I see. Many of you have completed it. Amazing. Great job done by all of you. A big round of applause.
Wasn't it a challenging task? It required a lot of coordination between the parent as well as the child. This kind of good coordination and good understanding should be there in our real life also. Now we will witness another set of comedy scenes by kids and parents.
मेरा गला है बहुत सुरीला, मेरी आवाज सुनकर सब हो जाते हैं मदहोश।
चिंटू, काश कि तुम टीवी पे गा रहे होते ये गाना।
सच मम्मा, मैं गाना इतना अच्छा गाता हूँ।
नहीं, कम से कम मैं तब टीवी बंद तो कर पाऊंगी।
आपकी फेवरेट वेजिटेबल कौन सी है?
बीन्स।
बीन्स। मुझे बीन्स से एक सेंटेंस बोलो।
We are human beings.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू पीटीए। आप ध्रुव की मम्मी हो?
हाँ मैम।
आपको पहली बार देख रहा है। ध्रुव के पापा को तो हम जानते हैं।
कैसे मैम?
अक्सर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में वो ध्रुव के पीछे झाड़ू पोछा लगाते हैं।
डॉक्टर साहब, मेरे 3 दांत टूट गए।
कैसे टूट गए?
वो मेरी वाइफ है ना, उसने बहुत कड़क रोटी बनाई थी।
तो खाने से मना कर देते।
जी वही तो किया था।
Wow, that was really funny. We were laughing a lot. Now let's move on to our next set of games called Brain Teasers. Over to Arya.
Yes, so now we have a really fun game called Brain Teasers. It is similar to riddles. We will share a screen where you will have different riddles and I want you to answer it in the chats. I repeat, do not unmute yourself and answer in the chat. The first person to answer will get a point. Okay, so let's start. Riddle 1. If there are 4 apples and you take away 3, how many apples do you have? Yes, I'm getting answers really fast. Yes, the answer is 3. If there are 4 apples and you take away 3, you have 3 apples with you. So the first person to answer was Shrika. Well done, Shrika. Very good. Riddle 2. Take away my first letter, take away my second letter, take away all my letters and I would remain the same. Who am I? Yes, I'm getting answers. Yes. Okay, so the answer was postman. Even if you take away his first letter or his second letter or all the letters from him, he will still remain a postman. The first person to answer was Shachi. Very good, Shachi. Give me a high five. Yes, well done. So shall we go to riddle 3? Yes. Without fingers I point, without arms I strike, without feet I run. What am I? Yes, the answer was clock. The arms of the clock or the hands of the clock are known as its fingers, feet and arms. So the answer was clock and the first person to answer was Utkarsh. Very good, Utkarsh. Well done. Riddle 4. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? Wow, I'm getting answers really fast. You guys are really tough competition. The first person to answer was Rishikesh and the answer was soap. If you remember, every time you take a bath with soap, the soap gets smaller and smaller. Well done, Rishikesh. High five.
High five.
Yes, so shall we go to riddle 5? What becomes white when it gets dirty? What becomes white when it gets dirty? Yes, the answer is a blackboard. The first person to answer was Shachi. Well done, Sachi. The answer was a blackboard. Riddle number 6. What is in front of a woman and in the back of a cow? Yes, very good. So if you see in front of a woman, which is the first letter is W, and in the back of a cow, which is the last letter, which is W. So the answer was W, and the first person to answer was Arpita. Yes, the first person to answer was Arpita. Well done, Arpita. Good job. High five. Yes. So the riddle number 7, this is a tough one. Larry's father has 5 sons, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So what's the name of the 5th son? The name of the 5th son is Larry. Yes, Kritika and Sharada, the answer was Larry. If you see, Larry's father has 5 sons. So the 5th son is Larry. Well done, everyone. Everyone played really well. It was a really tough competition. So shall we go ahead? Did you all enjoy? Show me some thumbs ups, please. Yes.
All children love their mothers. All through their lives, they express this love in several ways. Here is one such expression of bond of love between a child and the mother, presented by Avni and her parents.
Right? Is it?
थोड़ी सी चोट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी, जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। हाँ मेरी अम्मी तो है, मेरी अम्मी तो है, मेरी अम्मी तो है, मेरी अम्मी तो है। होती हो अम्मी भी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भी रोती है, एक आंसू में दुआएं भी रोती है, कोई बता क्या है अम्मी ऐसी होती है। थोड़ी सी सियानी है, थोड़ी सी इमोशनल है, अम्मी जो हंसे तो डर जाएगी हर मुश्किल, जैसे किस्मत की चाबी है वो जो खोले हर ताला। मैंने अपने सपनों का हर बक्सा उनको दे डाला। हाँ मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है।
Wow, A huge round of applause for Avni and parents. Thank you so much. It was wonderful and beautiful. The song was straight from the heart. Now we have another interesting game. Take a guess. Over to Sankhya.
So this is a guessing game where we have some symbols and you will have to guess. Please message the answer in the chat box. Can we have screen share? Yeah, take a guess. First, take the job. Guess the job.
G.
Oh, I see. Many answers are coming. Yes, it's engineer. And the first one to answer is Sai Shiro 3. Good jobs. Next. Second, guess the job. Oh, I see. Many answers coming up. It's lawyer. La plus ear, lawyer. And Sachi answered it first. Well done, Sachi. Third, guess the job. Oh, so many answers coming up. You are so fast in answering. It's dentist. Den plus T plus ST. And the first one to answer is again Sachi. Amazing. Fourth, guess the job. I think it's a bit tricky, but you guys know it. Oh, amazing. It's pole plus ice. It's police. Oh, again we have Sachi. Well done, Sachi. Fifth. Guess. Oh, so many answers. It's mechanic. Me plus can plus neck. Mechanic. And we have a new player, Rishikesh. Great job, Rishikesh. Sixth, guess the job. Oh my god, so many answers. It's hairdresser. Hair plus dress plus R. Hairdresser. And again we have Sachi to answer it. Well played, Sachi. Seventh, guess the job. I think this is a bit tricky. Oh god, so many answers. So it's farmer. F plus arm plus R equals to farmer. We have Sia Shilo 3. Good job. Eighth, guess the job. Come on. I can give you a hint. It's the first symbol is used when when we are not allowed to go ahead. Oh, I see that Neeraj has answered it. It's banker. Ban plus kar. Well done, Neeraj. Oh, this is not a job. This is a vegetable. Guess the vegetable. It's cauliflower. Yes. Call plus E plus flower. Cauliflower. And it was first answered by Sachi. Well done, Sachi. 10th. Guess the job. Fast. Oh, we have a new player. Again, Sachi. It's cap plus age. Cabbage. Come on, fast. Amazing job. 11th. Guess the job. It's beetroot. Yes. Oh God, so many chat. And it is answered by Sia. Well done, Sia. High five to you. Next, guess the vegetable. Oh, we have again Sachi answering. It's broccoli. B plus rock plus coal plus E. Broccoli. Amazing. Guess the vegetable. Oh, Rishikesh has answered it. It's olive. Very good. High five, Rishikesh. Next, guess the vegetable. Come on. Oh, we have a new player, Utkarsh. And the answer is ladyfinger. Lady plus S plus finger. Lady's finger. Guess the food. Come on. And the first ones to answer is Sachi. It's pan plus K equals to pancake. Great, Sachi. Guess the food. Come on. Cheese corn balls. Again, we have Sachi to answer. You get a point. Well played, Sachi. It's cheese plus corn plus ball equals to cheese corn balls. Oh, this is not a food. It's a drink. Last at the best. Come on, everyone. Oh, we have Sachi answering, Vidyut, Sia, Arpita, and many more to answer. It's strawberry milkshake. Strawberry plus milk plus shake equals to strawberry milkshake. Well done, everyone. High five. Hope you all enjoyed the game. Now, let's move to the next item.
As children, we must learn to value the company of our parents. It is only when we grow up and move out into the world do we realize their value and miss them. These feelings are brought out through a song sung by Kritika and her mother.
I uri o aha ali uri o aha ka kha ga ghada cha cha jha jha ya ta tha da da na ta tha da da na ba fa ba bha ma ya ra la va a I uri he o aha उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे गोदी उठा लेना माँ आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना मैला सा लागे जहाँ आई उरी हे ओ आहा आंखें दिखाई मुझे जब जिंदगी याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुण की डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह माथा गरम है सुबह से मेरा रख दे हथेली ना माँ तूने कुछ खाया देर से क्यों आई कोई ना पूछे यहाँ आई उरी हे ओ आहा हीरा कहा कभी नगीना कहा मुझे क्यों ऐसे पाला था माँ तेरी नजर से मुझे देखे ना जहाँ दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ तेरी नजर मुझे देखे ना जहाँ दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ मुझको शिकायत करनी है सबकी, मुझको सताते हैं माँ। अब तू छुपा ले, पास बुला ले, मन में अकेला यहाँ। आ ई उ री हे ओ औ आहा। लाडो।
Wow, it was a really beautiful song. I could feel the emotions conveyed by it. Shall we give them a huge round of applause? Yes. So now we have the next game, which is a matchstick game. If you remember, we had told you to bring a box of matchsticks with you. If you have not brought, please bring it. Over to Anagha.
Hope everyone have kept their matchsticks ready. Can I see thumbs up? Okay. Now, with the help of these matchsticks, you will be arranging these sentences onto a piece of paper. That is, I love you, mom. I love you, dad. I love you, dear. So, the first to finish, please put it on the chat box that you're done, and we'll call out your name so that you can show us your piece of art. So, your time starts now.
Do we need to make it?
Yes, you have to make it. Yes. Mama, papas must be busy in work. Here you get to do your teamwork, so you can do it faster. Come on. Once you're done doing that activity, you can message in the chat box that you're done. Okay, Avni has done. Avni, can we see your art? Can we see what you have done?
We did it on the ground.
Where is your eye? Oh, your eye was here. I don't have
Wow, it looks really beautiful, Avni. You did a good job. All your teamwork was shown in the piece of art. Okay. Okay, Neeti has done her art piece. Can we see yours, Neeti? Wow, you have done a great job, Neeti. All of you all have done a very beautiful job. It looks really beautiful. Shrika has finished her work. Can we see yours, Shrika?
Yes. Just 1 minute. Can you see?
Yeah, wow. Yes, we can see. It looks really beautiful, Shrika. You have done a wonderful job with your mom and dad. Great teamwork. Good job. And to all the others, you have done a very great job. We can all see the piece of art. It's looking really. Hope you like the activity. Did you like the activity? Can you show me thumbs up? Wow, I can see that you really enjoyed it. Moving on. Mothers are silent observers of Bal Vikas. what do they feel about Bal Vikas? I would like to invite Arpita Aunty to talk, who is the mother of Naman and Neeti, to talk about her feelings on Bal Vikas.
Sairam everyone. What a fantastic day. It brings so many smiles. This was such an out-of-box thinking of Bal Vikas that it was really wonderful. I just love this. I have not smiled so many times in these 1 year and so. This was the best day in the lockdown. I think this was the best day. Thank you so much. I thank Bal Vikas team for giving me this opportunity to speak as a Bal Vikas parent. Bal Vikas is just what I feel is Bal Vikas is enriching. It not only enriches the child, but also to us as a parent. My kids have learned a new value after every class. I have not seen a single activity or a single craft being repeated in last 5 years. I have never seen that. It has been like after every time I see, after every class, when kids come back home, they have something new to tell, or even like right now during online class, they have something new that they have learned after every class. I think that Bal Vikas leaves an indelible imprint on these young minds through various stories, various activities that they do. The most important thing that I have seen is through Bal Vikas, every child has learned the attitude of gratitude, that too in very, very practical way. I am sure every parent will agree with me on this. This attitude of gratitude has come into them just with Bal Vikas automatically. We need not have to teach them this. This has really been a great feeling. I thank all the Bal Vikas Guru from the bottom of my heart on behalf of all the parents, that such a selfless act that they are doing for all the kids. All the Bal Vikas Gurus are extremely gentle, loving, caring. At the same time, they lay emphasis on discipline. To teach is to reach, and reach out to those who are eager to learn. And that's what Bal Vikas Gurus have shown us during these difficult and challenging times. Kids did not miss a single event, be it Narayan Seva, be it Akhanda Bhajan, Mahashivratri program. Everything was done in a very, like the same way it was done earlier. This was really a very difficult task, and the instructions were so clear from the Bal Vikas Gurus that it was very well organized, every program. At the same time, kids did not miss on enjoyment as well. Teachers gave them space to have fun in the online classes as well. This was really totally a different feeling. We witnessed a Mahashivratri program by the young kids. It was all managed by them under the efficient management of gurus. It was extraordinary program managed, like only 5 to 6 year old kids did that Mahashivratri program. It was so well managed. For that, teachers, Bal Vikas Gurus took practice, that to slot wise, so that they do not have to wait for all the kids to do the practice. Only 3 to 4 kids were taken and the practice was done. That was really like touching. For older kids, there were so many quizzes done. And I would like to mention that for this Ganga Namami quiz, the Bal Vikas team took the effort to complete the enrollment form as well. That was really like it was not that difficult, but they thought that parents are it is becoming difficult for parents. So they took the effort to complete the enrollment process as well for us. This is such a selfless act, I think. I am with Bal Vikas family for last 5 years. It has been extremely special. I think my kids learned so much. My kids have learned so much. It is, I would like to share one story where we normally play games at home. So while playing, if my children, they will like do some mischief and they will say, okay, 3 nahi 4 aaya hai. But just after 1 minute, they will say, nahi, it is wrong, na? Main jhoot nahi bol sakta, just to win the game. And then they will say, no, mera galat ho gaya. This is not the way I have got this. So this has been taught by Bal Vikas teachers so efficiently. It is not that every parent tries to teach their children the best values. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we are successful, but Bal Vikas teachers are efficient. They are so efficient in that they teach the children it so well that those values get inculcated into children very effectively. I have seen my kids never want to miss a single class. Even if we are traveling, they want us to change the tickets, whatever done, they want to attend the class by, like, whatever you want to do, you can do it, but we don't want to miss Bal Vikas class, that is for sure. My sincere thanks to entire Bal Vikas team for this efforts that you are taking for all the kids, and my special thanks to Lakshmi ma'am, who is my Bal Vikas guru to both my kids. She had been constant support. Whenever I need something, if I call her, she is always there for me. I really thank her from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And Sairam, thank you everyone.
Dear brothers and sisters, uncles and aunties, I am sure all of us had a nice time today. On behalf of Bal Vikas children, I would like to express our thanks to the Bal Vikas gurus for putting together an hour of fun, games, and entertainment. I would also like to thank the parents for their active participation in the program. And above all, we are grateful to our Guru, Sri Satya Sai Baba, for their inspiration and motivation. Now, I would like Brother Amay to conclude the session. Sairam.
We would like to conclude today's evening session with a Sarvadharma prayer written by Sri Vinoba Bhave, and request you to close your eyes and sing along with me with your mics on mute. Om Tat Sat Shri Narayana Tu Purushottama Guru Tu Siddha Buddha Tu Skanda Vinayaka Savita Pavaka Tu Savita Pavaka Tu Brahma Masya Tu Yava Shakti Tu Eshu Pita Prabhu Tu Rudra Vishnu Tu Rama Krishna Tu Rahimata Tu Rahimata Tu Vasudeva Goveshwarupadu Chidananda Haritu Advitiya Tu Akala Nirvaya Atmalinga Shivatu Atmalinga Shivatu Atmalinga Shivatu. Asato ma sangamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti 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 समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय। साई राम।
Sai Ram parents, please be there. All of you, please come and hug your children. We would like to take a group photo. Please come on screen, put on your video, come together. All the technical team, you also please come on screen. The IT volunteers, please come on screen. Gurus, thank you.